The GBC ThemaBind system gives a stylish, perfect bound look to documents and presentations. The model featured here, the GBC ThemaBind T400, is ideal for offices with moderate to high binding needs. Using the GBC ThemaBind T400 is simple. The binder takes 4 minutes to warm up, and a green light indicates it's ready. Use the size guide to work out which size thermal cover you need. Select your cover and place it around the document as shown. Set the binding time using the plus or minus buttons to match the size of the cover. There are 5 heat settings from 40 seconds to 2 minutes. Now position your document in the binding slot with the support rail upright. Press the green operation button to initiate the heat sequence. The green light and audible signal indicates when binding is completed. Finally, place the bound document in the cooling tray and leave it for a few minutes to cool down. The ThermaBind T400 can handle a combination of documents up to 40 mm in thickness, so you can bind more than one at the same time. With a binding capacity of up to 400 A4 pages, and the flexibility to bind multiple copies of smaller documents at the same time, the ThermaBind T400 is your best route to that perfect bound look.